world ruled by fire and fear. One god prepares for war. But two unstoppable forces have come to challenge his reign. They are not heroes, they are not saviors, they are weapons of destruction. And their fight begins with the ruler of Apokolips himself. Against armies of parademons and the fury of Omega. Hulk, the Thing. Together their power is unthinkable. But Darkseid is not so easily broken. Battlefield of ash and fire, they will rise again. This is not just a fight, this is war. When the monster's rage meets unbreakable stone, Apokolips will tremble. Hulk and the Thing vs. Darkseid, Wrath of Apokolips, Part 1.